Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of video episode, whichever works for you, on Yusuf Onabekun's channel. And today we'll be talking about affiliate marketing. Why affiliate marketing? Can beginners do affiliate marketing? How can I get started with affiliate marketing with no money? How do I get started? Now, these are the topics we'll be talking in this video, and come along as you learn and also implement, because that's the whole game of this video. Now, why affiliate marketing? Now, let me tell you the one reason why I would encourage anyone to start with affiliate marketing. This is the only business you can start by just dedicating your time to it. You don't need to have one money, you don't need to have stuff like that. And how often can you get started with this affiliate marketing of a thing? So how do you get started? Why affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the only business, like I said earlier, that you don't need any money to get started. You can easily just put on your phone, register on any of those platforms that is free or that will cost you an amount. The amount varies from platform to platform, and there are also those that are free, but it depends on you how much time you can dedicate to it, because it's all about timing and doing it the right way. Because if you are an affiliate marketer and you decide to just do guessing game, or you do it for like 1 week because nobody said what are you selling, you decide to throw it. I always cite an example of, if you open a shop today now and you did not make up to the amount you expect, will you close up the shop? Definitely not. So that affiliate marketing is whereby a company encourage people to promote their product for a commission. That's just as simple as it can get. Now, affiliate marketing can either be for physical product or affiliate product, but the reason why it is encouraged for digital or offline products or online products is the fact that you can virtually sell it to anyone from anywhere in any country. Yes, that's very, very correct. We have affiliate platform right here in Nigeria that will allow you to register, and you can easily promote any product to them, even though they are not even in Africa as a whole. Now, one of the best product, or one of the best way to get started for you is, as a beginner, this is like the best way for you to make to start gaining not just experience, but you gain knowledge and you understand human psychology, how human being reason, how you can able to encourage them to buy from you and the like. So it makes it very easy for you to get started. Now, what are the platforms that you can use to get to register on affiliate marketing? Now we have Expertnia, which, except you are living under the rock in Nigeria, you will not have heard of. Expertnia helps to sell high value digital products, like you've read here, and they have sold over 300,000 products for various content product creators, using over 70,000 affiliates. Now, let me tell you the reason why this is encouraged. This is like the pioneer of affiliate marketing platform, something like the likes of Clickbank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and the likes. This is like the Nigerian version, and they are very, very strict. They are very, very strict to the extent that to register on their platform you pay 10,000 naira monthly. Now, don't get scared of the price, because now let me tell you why. If you are now see this, let's say you promote any of this product now and you get 50%, which is always the back end rates that they give, because the percentage, the commission is done by the authors individually. Nobody is not an automatic stuff, but some give 50%. No, so let's say you promote this WhatsApp marketing success now and you're able to sell it, you collect your 10,000 naira straight up, no stress, nothing. Now, this is the platform that pioneered affiliate marketing in Nigeria before we now start having other platforms. Now, the other platform, while this costs 10,000 naira in a year, that's less than 2,000 naira per month. So I don't see a reason why you cannot benefit from this platform as a beginner, to get started, because most of the product on this platform, they are going to give you materials to use to promote, from emails to social media to banners to even some has videos, series of videos that you can use to promote their product. Now, onto the next platform, which is seller.co. Seller.co came around with allowing people to sell using their platform, but now they've included you selling, promoting products at the rate of 2,000 naira. You can register on their platform and get everything you need. Like they said here, enter your email, which is you can easily just get started to start promoting. Now this is talking from the angle of the merchant, but if you want to register as an affiliate, you go to affiliate.com. Now if you want to start as an affiliate, you can easily just use seller affiliate on Google, because I think I copied the wrong price. Affiliates. Now this is it. Yeah, this is it. You can see join the biggest. We have over 1,000 ready to sell. Now this is the interesting thing about this. You can sell to anyone around the world. Now look at the number of affiliates. They have 2,000 plus, 30,000 counting, and 35,000 running. So now look at this compared to this, which is their grandfather when it comes to affiliates platform in Nigeria. So any of these platform can get you started. And if you also check on my channel, go to Yusuf Onabekun YouTube channel and you search for affiliate marketing. I've dropped various series of videos that can help you to get started almost immediately. Now, from how to get started with affiliate marketing with zero cost, how to the concept of affiliate marketing, how to clock your, because this is very, very important, so that you don't end up promoting your product and somebody else gets your offer. And this is another platform, Sabi Mentors, and those are the ways that you can learn and make solid money out of it. Now if you, instead of you now guessing, or maybe after you've watched my series of videos, you feel like you still want a precise you want a mentor that is going to hold you by the hand and show you the ropes of how to get started with affiliate marketing from ground level 0 to 100%, I can tell you that you cannot be wrong with this product, SEDP Affiliate Cash Out. Now let me tell you the reason why this product is massive, is mad, is the fact that it is as easy as something you can start implementing in the next 90 minutes. Yes, that's how interesting it is. Now this is a platform, this is a course that is going to show you what kind of product you should look out for when you are promoting, what kind of promotion you should implement, how you should go about your product promotion, how you should get the right people that are ready to pay, virtually begging you with their money and say, please, I want to buy using your link. Those are the things you are going to learn from this course. This course has sold over 2,000, which is over 2,000 people in Nigeria are currently benefiting from this course. I don't know why you are still not on board. This is a course that is going to hold you, show you everything from A to Z when it comes to affiliate marketing. Now if you feel like, okay, let me see, this is earnings of people, this is somebody that made $1 million naira just promoting other people's products using the concept of affiliate marketing. This is another guy making a whole lot of this. Now scroll down and you end up seeing, it's not that when you try to check out all these two platforms I've registered for you too, that you don't see other people selling affiliate marketing products. But I want to speak from the angle of courses that I've checked, I've consumed, I've implemented what they teach, and I can tell you categorically that you cannot go wrong when it comes to this SCDP Affiliate Cash Out. Now when you are getting on board with it, this is going to take you the right way to go about it, what to look out for before you promote a product, how not to get scammed with wrong vendors and various stuff. Now the best thing for you now is, after you watch this video finish, try as much as possible, dedicate your time, consume related videos of affiliate marketing on my YouTube channel. And if you feel like, okay, you can only afford the one of 2,000 naira, or you can only afford the one of 10,000 naira, your decision, you understand. But when you grab this, it shows you what to do, how to get started and the likes. Either you have you can afford to buy on these two platforms, or you feel like you want to use another platform. It's your choice. But what this course does is it points you in the right direction, so you don't go wrong when you are getting started with your affiliate marketing decision. Because going wrong from start, you can end up more frustrated than you don't want to. So thank you and see you in my next video.